just wanted to show you guys how crazy my chickens are over these new treats that I got for them. They are all natural dried black soldier fly larvae from COOHGRUBS, and they are rich in calcium and they're high protein, so they help strengthen immunity, they improve egg quality and production, and help accelerate molting process. And they're also suitable for a variety of animals. As you can see, my geese love them too. They were a little skeptical at first, but they tried them and they love them. But yeah, the chickens are absolutely crazy. Every time they see me walk out with the bag, they already know. They are just treats, so just make sure that they don't make up more than 10% of your bird's diet. I love my birds, and if they're going to get treats on the side, I like to make sure that it's something natural and something that is going to be good for them. And they reward me with some very yummy eggs for our breakfast and for our customers.